Hello guys, welcome to this channel again, and in today's video I'll be explaining to you my simple ad structure that converts like crazy. Yes, I'm going to show you my secret so that you can also copy it and implement and get the same kind of result I am also getting. So let us ride on. So the first thing is, what is the Facebook ad structure? Facebook ad structure is the framework that organizes how your ads are created, managed, and optimized. So, because many of you will be saying that, okay, what is Facebook ad structure? It's just the framework, how you structure your advert when creating it, and that will actually help you in managing your ads and how you optimize. And there are three major levels, when it comes to Facebook ad. When you want to set up your Facebook ad, we have the campaign level, we have the asset level, and we have the ad level. Now the campaign level is where this is the top level where you define your advertising goal, that is your objective, whether it's traffic you want, if it's engagement or conversion. So that is the top level. Then the second level, now there's this ad set is always inside a campaign level. So the ad set is where you set up your targeting, your budget, your placement, and your schedule, right? While the third level is, these are the actual creative, the images, the video, the headline, and the text that people see. So it is this one that people are going to be seeing when they are scrolling through their Facebook. Now the asset is like the brain burst. That is where you're going to do all your inside code, just like we have front end and we have back end. So your ad level is the front end, while your asset level is the back end, while your campaign objective is you telling Facebook what you want this ad to achieve, right? So let me now show you how I structure my own Facebook ad whenever I want to run ad to generate leads, to get marketing leads. So this is the structure that I use. I use one campaign, one ad set, and multiple ads. One campaign, one ad set, and multiple ads, because under a campaign you can have two ad sets, you can have two or more ad sets, you can have two or more ads, right? Remember I told you that ads is what people will see, the video or the image, the ad copy, the creatives, the ad copy, the headline, and all of that. While the asset is the setting, that's where you're going to define your audience, define how much you want to be spending, and all of that. Now many people will tell you that, okay, for you to have a very good result, you need to create multiple assets, have different audiences you are targeting in one campaign. But for me, that doesn't work, because it kind of overcomplicates things, and if there's complication in your ads, trust me, it's going to affect the algorithm, in knowing the kind of audience you are trying to reach. So for me, what I do is I use multiple ads, multiple images. So for a campaign, I can create, like, if I'm using video creative, I can create like 5 video creatives, and I'm going to be testing all of those creative with one ad set. So now the one that, and the reason for that is so that now I'm using, let's assume that I'm using 5 ad creative. Now if I'm using 5 ad creative, Facebook is going to push the ad out. So when they push the ad out, the one that is doing well, that is the one that Facebook is going to pump money into. Do you get it? The one that is doing well, that will be the one that Facebook will pump more money into. So, and once I already know the one that Facebook is pumping more money to, I will know that, okay, it is that particular ad that is doing well, and that will help me to, I'll just off the remaining one. So this structure is helping me do two things: helping me optimize my budget, and also helping me test, because in Facebook you cannot just determine that this is the kind of thing that will work. You need to test again and again. So with this structure, you are testing, you are also optimizing your budget. So the last slide is how a good ad structure boosts result. Number one, you get better budget control. A streamlined structure ensures your money is spent efficiently, which is very important to us. we're not running ads to waste money. We are running ads to get the most out of our money. So when you use this kind of structure, it helps you to optimize, to spend your budget efficiently. Facebook will really pump your money to the ad that is doing well. Do you get it? So also stronger data collection. So with a proper structure, which is like one campaign, one asset, and multiple ads, you can easily track what is working and what is not, which is very important, because if you cannot track, then you cannot optimize. Faster optimization. Facebook algorithm find the best performing ad when multiple creative are tested in one asset. See that? So the algorithm will be able to optimize the one that is doing well, the best performing ad. Then it prevents ad fatigue. Running multiple ads under one ad set ensures users don't see the same ad repeatedly. You see that? And it keeps engagement high. So if I am using multiple ads and using one audience, one of my audience, one person can be seeing different creatives, and with that, it's not going to, my audience are not going to get bored of my ad easily, because if they are seeing just one of the creative, one of the video, they will get bored, and once they see it, they will just scroll. But when they see one of my video, okay, maybe they don't really engage with it, and they see another one, they saw another angle, then that might that might actually meet their pain point. Because, and that is why it's good to create different ads, because in different ads you have the opportunity to test different pain points in different ads, and you don't know which one is going to actually hit your customer the most. And that's why it's good that you have multiple ads in one ad set. So a prospect or a lead is going to be seeing different videos, and one of the videos will likely meet their pain point, and they will click on the ad. You get that? So I usually use 5, and which is very important. So improve scaling. So once you identify the best performing ad, you can now scale it without affecting overall performance. You get that? So once you already know that, okay, this is the particular ad, if you have video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, video 5, and you now notice that, okay, video 3 and video 4 is doing well, you can off video 1, video 2, and video 5. Then video 2 and video 3 is going to be running, and with that you can now pump more money to your budget, to your daily budget, and you are going to what? You are going to scale up faster like that. So let me just show you practically how this is done on Ads Manager. So let me go over to my Ads Manager. I'm here. Okay, so I'm here. So I just click on create. So once I create, so I will choose my objective, which is lead. So I click on continue. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This is the campaign level, this is the asset level, and this is the ad level. So for my own, I use one campaign, one ad set, then different ads. So all I just need to do is I'll just duplicate this, click on this 3 button. So you duplicate it, click on duplicate. Okay, so how many copies do you want to duplicate? You can say, okay, I want to 4. So click on duplicate. Okay, so you can see I've duplicated. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ads. So I'll use different video for each of them, use one audience, choose my objective, and I'll run it. So the one that is doing well, that is the one that Facebook is going to be pumping more money to. And once I see that, okay, video 2 is doing well, off the rest, now continue with the rest. So that is the simple ad structure that usually help me to get massive leads. So if you have learned something in this video, I will advise you to subscribe, like, comment, and share to others that also need it. Ensure that you subscribe. That's the way you can help me to create more videos. Thank you. See you in the next one.